Hello and welcome guys, welcome to forex school. So as you can see, we have $50 into our live account, okay, and we are doing live trading. So I'm going to show you how we need to trade for beginners and also for intermediate. Okay, so watch the whole video guys. We are from today onwards we are starting live trading. Okay, so every trade will be placed with a proper stop loss, and also after every trade, after the completion of the trade, I'll explain why we took the trade. Okay guys, so here I am entering a buy position. So as you can see, I'll explain you everything afterwards. Okay, so before the trade we have placed the stop loss. In every trade we will place the stop loss before our trade. Okay, so we are doing buy side. So as you can see guys, our entry has been done. So let me show you. So our entry has been done guys, as you can see over here. So why we took this entry, and as you can see guys, over here our profit is going on. So this is a scalping trade. Okay, so this is a little scalping trade, and how you can do it, so why we took that entry, so all together I'm going to show into this video. So watch the whole video.
Yeah, let it be.
Hello and welcome guys. So as you saw our trade, okay, so now I'm going to explain you why we took the entry and everything. Okay, so first I saw that on the daily time frame we are very bullish, the market is very bullish. Okay, so let's come to 1 hour time frame. So you can see on the 4 hour as well, so we are currently bullish. Okay guys, so let's come to 15 minutes time frame and what was the actual setup. So let us see. Okay, so this is a free version. As you can see, I am not using anything paid or something. This is all set free version. Okay, so as you can see, this is the second. You just see with the marker. So as you can see over here, you can see the cursor. This is second, and this is August 1st. Okay, so this is a 15 minutes time frame. So let's do this. Okay, and I will lock it. Okay, so guys, as you can see, our trade was pretty successful. So as we took the entry and you saw in it live. Okay guys, so please like the video. So as you can see, and all this setup guys, I am going to share it on my Telegram channel. Okay, so all you have to do is open an XNES account and deposit your money and start trading with me guys. Okay, so these types of trades guys, look at the stop loss, just 1.2 pips. Okay, let's consider as 1.5 pips, and if we would have waited, okay, so let me show you if we would have waited. So 1:3 was fixed, guys. So as I told you, this is a scalping trade, as you can see, but the market was not able to you know, hunt our stop loss. So that's what we have to do, guys. Okay, so as you can see, this was a very successful trade. So I'll explain you why we took the entry. Okay, so as you see, this is August, this is 2nd, and this is the 1st. So what we saw on the 1st August, the price came here and it took a support, very good bullish movement from here till here. Okay, so what happened after 12? So from here, this is yesterday, from here, so market was a rejection zone. Okay, so this was a rejection zone. So as you can see, price rejected once, twice, thrice, and again. So price was rejected a number of times. Then again suddenly on the second day, as you can see, on the 2nd, that is today, the market broke all these levels. Okay, all these levels, the market all broke all these levels, and the market was waiting for some confirmation. Okay, so I knew that market is going upwards. Okay, so as you can see, guys, our market is going now continuously up. I'll explain you. So as you can see here, the price was rejecting, and then it took a support in the morning. So we missed this trade, we missed this wonderful opportunity, guys. As you can see, I marked this area. Then what happened? Again in the afternoon, the price again came here and again tried to go upwards, but as you can see, it was rejected by this 21 moving average. Okay, so that's what is important. So that's what I was not available at that moment also. Then again you can see all the liquidity of these levels was taken by this candle, and again a beautiful movement was there, but I was also not available over here. And when I came online on my setup, so I saw a beautiful setup running over here and I took the entry. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, I took the entry over here and this was our trade. Okay guys, so these all the trades I am going to share on my Telegram channel. Make sure you join my Telegram channel. There you can join my premium Telegram channel where I'll share all the signals. Okay, all the signals, analysis, everything. So what we are going to do, we are going to do live trading daily. Please like the video, guys. I need your support. Okay, I'm back now, so I need your support. So let's meet in the next video, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.